What kind of guidance would you offer to a smaller business or a startup business that wants to get into AI, maybe in a regulated sector, knowing that all of this governance is coming down the pike? What would you tell them? What would be the three things you would tell them first?
I find that technology is always going to be less important than the problem that you're solving, right? And I tell this to every startup, and especially in a time where, we have such this intense focus on like engineering, developer-y sort of like uniqueness, where it's like, we have an AI engine. Well, yeah, but are you solving a problem that matters to people? And I think a lot of times startups get caught up, this is such an amazing thing that I'm building. They often lose sight of, yeah, but does it really solve this problem in a way that is incredibly efficient to entice everybody to want to sort of buy from us? So first and foremost, it's about whether or not you're solving a problem that's critical and relevant. On the more sort of functionalist side, understanding like data sources and where you're getting that from. If you are engaging in healthcare and fintech and other like highly regulated industries, you have to understand where that data is coming from. And thinking about the tooling for guardrailing and being able to guide sort of the development of whatever models that it is that you're using and then guide the outputs, also critical. Those are the top two. And lastly, I'd probably say that the way that you talking about your product, this focus that a lot of people have on like, we're an AI tool. I think from a messaging perspective, the primary problem that you're sort of addressing for larger organizations that you may be selling to, like using that as your messaging as opposed to, we're an AI company doing X, Y, Z. The amount of noise out there, being able to differentiate yourself. And to a degree, I think this applies to large businesses as well, where you'll see these sort of advertising marketing copy being like, your AI solution for whatever. It's like, well, yeah, but I don't care that it's an AI solution. I care that it's a solution. That might diminish people's concern about like, should I like try this new tool? If you're changing the focus from how the tool works to what the tool accomplishes, that breaks down a lot of walls.